In this question we have to find the equation of the set of the points P when given that sum from the point A to P and A to B, A to P and B to P is equal to 10. Now let coordinates of point P be x, y, z. Given A is 4, 0, 0 and B is negative of 4, 0, 0. By the given condition, PA plus PB is equal to 10. This is given to us. Now using distance formula, we are having A 4, x negative of 4 whole square plus y square plus z square plus x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square is equal to 10. Okay. Using distance formula for PA and PB. Now we have to remove the square root and don't try to just directly do here squaring both sides, okay, because we have to omit one of the square roots. So best part is if we are writing x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square square root is equal to 10 negative for x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. Is it clear? Now squaring both sides. Now remember one thing, when you are squaring both sides, squaring this side means we are putting a bracket here and then squaring it. We have to follow the identity. Don't individually apply the square here. Okay. So x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square is equal to 100 negative of 20 x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square plus x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Now is equal to plus y square plus z square plus z square. Now on solving further, what we will be getting? Now this you have to do it, you have to solve it yourself. X square plus 8x plus 16 plus y square plus z square is equal to 25 plus 4x. Okay, y square z square, these two terms will be cancelled, then 16 and 16 will be cancelled, x square and x square will be cancelled. So what is left? Simple, 25 plus 4x. Now squaring again. Now 25 times x square plus 8x plus 16 plus y square plus z square. Squaring again means now again we have to remove the square root. So squaring this part. So square of 5 is 25. Here square root vanishes, is equal to 625 square root of 25 plus 200x plus 16 x square. Okay. Now this becomes 9x square plus 25y square plus 25z square negative of 225. This is equal to 0. This is the answer.